Hey everybody, it's Kelly and welcome back to the Sjolie YouTube channel. Today we're going to be diving into one of Sjolie's most innovative additives, the Restore CBD Concentrate. Whether you want to elevate your spray tan services, support skin health, or offer therapeutic enhancement options to your clients, this additive is a total game changer. Let's break it down. Restore CBD Concentrate is a water-soluble, THC-free CBD additive specifically formulated to be compatible with Sjolie spray tan solutions, and so much more. It's safe to mix with your spray tan solution or even daily skincare routine. Because it's water soluble and spray tan safe, it blends seamlessly and enhances performance without altering your spray tan results. CBD helps maintain balance in inflammation, skin health, pain responses, and overall wellness. When applied topically, CBD can penetrate through pores and result in soothing and restorative effects. That means that Restore CBD doesn't just support a gorgeous spray tan, but it also helps calm, hydrate, and balance the skin, especially those for irritation or sensitivity. Here's how the Restore CBD elevates your services. It soothes irritated or inflamed skin, helps balance dryness, acne, and redness, eczema and psoriasis support, hydrates and rejuvenates skin, calming pain relief for joint and muscle discomfort, and enhances overall wellness and skin. It's perfect for clients with sensitive skin or anybody who wants an elevated therapeutic experience with their tan. First, you're going to add 2 full droppers per 1 ounce of spray tan solution, and you can mix it with your pH balancer, moisturizers, or apply directly to the skin for targeted relief. And because it's water soluble and THC-free, it mixes cleanly with our formulas without any weird texture or residue. Restore CBD isn't just an additive, it's an opportunity. You can now offer CBD-enhanced sprays, therapeutic skin services, targeted pain relief sessions, and upgrade your menu for premium clients. It's a way to differentiate your business and attract a broader client base. If you found this video helpful, make sure that you subscribe for more pro tips, product breakdowns, and spray tan business hacks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.